Hi friends, if you are involved in construction work, this Excel tool can calculate volume of concrete, cement, sand, coarse aggregate means metal and water required in just one click. Hello friends, welcome to Bsureshinfra. Today I am going to show you a useful concrete quantity and material calculation tool which works in Excel. Normally we calculate concrete quantities manual, means by using calculator or Excel formulas. This process takes time and sometimes mistakes happen. To solve this problem, I created a Excel tool that calculates everything automatically. Now we will see how to use this tool and how to download this tool.
Okay, now we will open our tool. So these are all tools. I did the calculation part, and now we are going to open this our concrete quantities only, right? So I am opening this one. So this is our tool interface. It's open like this. So in this tool, these three are output places, and these are all input places, and one more thing will come here, that is also input place. Okay, so here one by one we will see what is this. So grade of concrete, we have to select from the grade, which grade we want. Okay, so and second one is select the footing. So we can select our footing from this section. So whatever footing we want, that we can select from here. Okay, so if I click here, it gave the footing here. Next I will select one by one. Here also M20 grade, for example, we taking, and the footing title. So in AutoCAD, in our drawings, site drawings, we are seeing like F1 footing, F2 footing, F3 footing, like that. No, so here we have to enter the footing name. So I'm taking F4. Okay, footing 4. Footing title is F4 I take, and then measurements type. Here two measurement types we have. One is in feet, one is in meter. So in the big projects like industrial projects and roads and all, the engineers are considering meters only. For the domestic buildings and residential buildings, we are considering like feet. So meters we are taking here the calculation. Okay, and here these checkbox are there for this one is the quantity, only concrete quantity we want, so we have to click on it. And the material quantity, if we want, we have to click on it. And the calculation, for the calculation part, so how material quantities calculation came, if we want that, then we can click on it. So now I am clicking on this only. So this one already I checked it, and then I'm entering the footing numbers. So let us take 5 numbers, and the length, example 3 meter. So here L, and in the image also we can find L. So in the L place we can give length of the foundation, and the width of the footing is, we can give let us give 2 meter, and the depth of the footing. So depth of the footing I will give 0.45 meter, means 450 mm. So now I click on calculate button. So what happen we'll see. So if we see here, the grade of concrete is M20, and footing title is F4. Meters, numbers are 5 numbers, and length is 3 meters, and width is 2 meters, and the depth is 0.45 mm. And the calculation it already did, that is 13.5 cubic meter already it's shown. So it's okay. This one is very easy. We can calculate with our phone calculator also. What is the big deal in this? So when we need quantities of this concrete, means like raw material, cement how much, sand how much, and this metal and water how much required, then just we'll click on it and again go for calculate. So what it did, it gave the quantities here, like concrete volume, straight away it gave here 13.5, here also 13.5, and cement 108.86 bags required for 5 footings, means 13.5 cubic meter, and fine aggregate means sand 5.67 cubic meter required, and coarse aggregate means 20 mm metal, that 11.34 cubic meter required, and finally the water 2721.6 liters we want for 13.5 cubic meter of concrete. The grade should be M20. Then this will it will give like this answers. And then the calculation part also, if we want, then just click on it, calculation, and same calculate. So we'll see what happened here. So if we see here, the same output whatever here that it gave here, and then if we see down here, the calculation parts are there. Step 1 formula, this is concrete calculation how came, volume of the concrete how it came, and for the to know the cement, sand, and metal and water, it did the calculation part. Actually the video becoming very more means lengthy video it's becoming. That's why I'm giving how to use this our tool only, that data only I'm giving. If you want any detail like deeply how the calculation happened, please comment on it. I will explain in the next video. Okay, now we will see one by one. This one dry calculation happened, and here the cement part, here cement calculation it did like this, and the answer is 108.86. how it came, it gave here straight away. Here 108.86 how it came, it gave, and the fine aggregate also calculation it gave, and here coarse aggregate means metal calculation also it gave, and the water calculation also it gave, and the final result also it gave the bottom of this window. Okay, so this tool will run like this with the one click. Okay, so if you have one doubt, I think this is happen, all the calculations are okay, how we'll get this result? So for that, here we have one button, that is import. Just click on it. So it asking where you want to save. So just I want to save on desktop. I selected here. So by default it will give measurements like title. If you want you can change it, or else just save as it is. So I selected desktop and I saving it. So once I click on it, it gave a message like workbook exported successfully. Okay, then okay, so I'm closing it. This one also I'm closing. And now if we see on the desktop, here measurement it gave like that. Here if we see one by one measurements, so the calculation part in Excel sheet came, the quantity of the concrete, and material quantity details here came, and the calculation part details, everything it came. So you can use how you want. You can use this quantities in somewhere else. You just copy these are all, and you can paste on somewhere else where you want. Like that we can use this tool.
Now let us see how to get this tool.
Friends, you have watched this video till here, means this video is useful for you.
In our channel we will release many construction related videos and tools. As a loyal viewer, please subscribe our channel and like the video. If you found this video is useful for your friends, please share with them. You can get the tool from my Telegram channel. The link available in the video description. In this video, we saw the calculations of isolated flat footings. In the next video, we will see sloped footings calculation and stepped footing calculations. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.